This video is going to be insane. I'm going to visit a famous person. Come with me. This guy is a very famous chef. He doesn't know that I'm going to visit him. I brought some dough, some toppings because it's a very special chef. Hopefully he's ready to make this pizza with me. So let's go. Before I knock the door, I'm gonna try to teach him how to make the best pizza for the whole oven. So this is gonna be special also for you to learn. Oh!
What?
Chef, how you doing, Chef? Vito, nice to meet you. Directly from Italy.
Okay, yeah, Vito. What do you want?
I'm here to make the best pizza for home.
The best pizza.
Yes.
Really?
Yes. Are you ready?
Come on in here. I like pizza.
Let's go. Okay, guys, Chef Rush just went to change himself. What I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna make a special pizza dough like this. Look at this, it's full of air. Insane. And this is the perfect way to make the best pizza home. The super easy way. I just turn it on the home oven, but before making the actual pizza, we're gonna make the actual pizza dough. So let's wait for Chef Rush to get here and it's ready to rock and roll. Come here, everything is ready, Chef. Oh, good?
Okay, I'm ready.
I like your jacket, man.
I like your jacket. I like your, ooh, it's like nice and tight.
I train every day.
You? I can tell.
I should train less.
Wow.
So let's get serious right here because when it gets to pizza,
Okay.
pizza is a serious thing.
Oh, serious.
Did you ever make pizza before?
I eat a lot of pizza. Pizza is life. It's a meal.
Yeah, you see? It's alive. You said the right thing, life. So what we're gonna need here to make this recipe is super easy. Like you can see here is the Polish pre-fermented dough. Super easy. 300 grams of flour, 300 grams of water, 10 grams of yeast, and 10 grams of honey. 1 hour at room temperature, and then 16 to 24 hours in the fridge. And this is your yeast.
Okay.
Natural fermentation. We want to create the process the most easy and natural as possible. 300 grams of water. Now dump the whole Polish in the water. So now you're gonna melt the yeast in the water. 15 grams of salt, 50 grams of extra virgin olive oil, and 530 grams of 00 flour. So once we have the water like the milk, color of the milk, we are ready to add 530 grams of flour. What's your specialty of food to cook?
I love all food. I'm a culture guy. Meat, oh yeah, of course I love meat. Meat, protein.
So maybe you choose the toppings for this pizza.
Deal.
Okay, fantastic. Okay, now that is all together, we are ready to add the salt.
The salt. How much salt?
15 grams.
15 grams of salt.
Yeah. The less salt we put, the more faster will grow. Now, little by little, we're gonna add the olive oil, and that's where you're gonna start to work the dough with your hands. Fold it. Yes, the secret is you have to fold it all the time. That's how we create the gluten. The secret of this pizza, for the best pizza, is to build the gluten the most strong as possible. This is the texture of the dough. Perfect. See? Now, let it rest. Now it's still really sticky.
Yes.
So leave it, and we're gonna let it rest for about 15 minutes. In this time frame, the dough will start to build the gluten. We'll go from
Just
there.
like this. No wrapping, anything.
Nothing.
Just leave it like this.
Leave it like that.
Okay.
The time to wash your hands.
Time to wash my hands.
Okay, let's
always
go.
clean this.
Okay, chef. Little bit of olive oil on your hands.
Okay.
This way the dough doesn't stick in your hands. And now try to fold it like air packets. Yes? Gentle, gentle.
Oh.
Yes, you see it starts to build the gluten.
I see.
So now, just like a ball, make it into a ball and put it on top of the counter. Try to make a ball now.
Try to make a ball?
Yeah, if it's sticky, it's not a big deal. There you go, see? You feel that the dough is building the gluten much more stronger?
Yeah.
Perfect. So now, at this point, we go ahead and let it rest one more time for 30 minutes.
For 30 minutes.
This pizza is all about resting.
Resting.
Yeah,
that makes the perfect crust, the dough for that.
Yes, but you'll see in 2 hours we're going to make the pizza.
Okay.
Okay, chef, look at this. Boom, voila. You see now, it's already nice, more and smooth. So now it's time to make the balls. Again, olive oil in your hands.
Olive oil.
always. We're gonna put a little bit of olive oil in the container like this because we're gonna make the boss basically and put it inside here. Spread a little bit of olive oil on top, and we split the dough in two parts. So I make one, you make another one. Just wanna make a quick dough ball. You see there? Nice and strong. So now we go ahead and put it there.
Oh, geez. I didn't even look at yours. You did that so fast.
Jen,
You did it so fast.
okay, look at it. Look at this. We're gonna make like a
okay,
cross.
I see you
Open
going.
and close,
Oh,
open
I
and close.
see it.
So once you have a nice smooth dough balls, it's a little bit sticky, but you catch everything with the spatula. Okay. Now it's time to grab it and put it in there.
And you just grab it.
Yeah.
Here.
And put it inside the quick movement. Perfect.
Like that.
Leave it there. Even if it's not super perfect, it's okay.
Okay.
So now what we do here, we close it. Boom, boom. Close here. Here we go. Make sure it's nice and close and seal it because this is gonna grow 2 times. So now right away we go ahead and we put it in the fridge for 24 hours.
Okay. 24 hours.
Yes, that's for best results. Or we just wait 2 hours that the dough gets nice and puffy or double up the side because it depends on the room temperature. The more it's cold, the more time will need to grow.
Okay.
We're gonna wait in the fridge because I want to show you the best. And here we go. Look at this. Ooh. This is the dough after 24 hours in the fridge. Look how much hair we integrate, how soft it is. Touch. But also, it's not really sticky like the dough.
Yeah, no, not at all.
So now we're gonna work it. But before we're gonna turn it on the oven, 550, so the max temperature. Even at 500, it's fine, 500 Fahrenheit. Let me grab a pan, because today we're making the pizza in the pan.
Pizza in the pan.
Hold on a sec, but before the pan here, you're gonna choose the toppings. So show me teach me some tricks on some best ingredients.
Best ingredients. So,
for pizza.
I'm gonna be honest with you. I'm a protein guy.
Okay, let's do it. Me too.
I like meat.
I feel small. I come to you, but
protein.
Yes. Beef. Let's go. Yes.
Yeah.
I brought these to you. I don't know if this is.
What's that?
This is like a.
What am I doing that?
Well, this is like a Chinese sausage.
No. I got some.
Okay,
let me give you some real stuff.
Real stuff.
Quick.
Oh shit!
Now this
oh shoot!
That's protein. This right here. No. Give it a that.
Okay, that's it.
There you go.
Let's go with this. Right,
let's do the protein. Yeah,
right,
exactly.
Show me how to cook the big steak like that.
I'll show you how to cook a big steak like this right here. He like a big meat.
I went to Guga Food. Oh man. I went to, Guga?
I know Guga.
Yeah, I learned so much.
Yeah?
Now I want to learn some tricks.
Now you want to learn from me. We're going to do quick, easy, simple
seasoning.
I'm going to keep it simple for you. I'm going to go, I don't put all that fancy stuff on there. This is going to be salt, kosher, we're going to do pepper, and we're going to do a little bit of garlic. I ain't going to put any rosemary, thyme on it. I just want it simple, queasy, because it's going to go on top of this delicious pizza, which is delicious. I'm stoked about this.
Okay, chef, you got this heating up, nice and hot.
Nice and hot. You ready for it?
I'm ready. I'm born ready.
I believe that. Gonna just go right here.
That's
a nice sear.
So now we wait.
We're gonna wait.
It's so difficult to cook the steak on a pan.
It is. But it's like a thing. But if I can do anything, I'll cook it on a grill, of course. I just love that char on it. Or I also have my cast iron little grills where it gives us that nice little thing. But with this right here, the one thing is true. Forget about it. Is that right? Forget about it. Just leave it alone. Don't touch it. Of course, you got some great rosemary over here, so I'm just gonna throw some of this inside of it. I have some butter that's right here. So now we're just gonna do a nice little
Gordon Ramsay style.
Yeah, Gordon Ramsay style. Go on top of it, right? Just putting all that flavor profile right on top of it. You notice I put some olive oil first, extra virgin, and then I put the butter on top of that. That way it's gonna stop the cooking process of it burning from that oil.
I didn't know that.
Right? That way you're
so
gonna
the
get
butter
brown.
actually stops the...
Yeah, because it's cooled down. It's cool. The butter's cool, right? The only thing, like you said, with a pan, especially using one of these right here, it is that temperature control. So I'm going for this look right here.
Oh my God, that looks good.
Like nice crust, right?
Yeah, but it's actually a good pan too.
Yeah, it's a good pan.
This is your pan?
Of course, it's my pan.
Well, check out the
Chef made.
Give me the link. I'm gonna put it in the description.
It's chefrush.com.
Oh, okay.
No.
Chefrush.com. Seriously, we're gonna put it because I'm gonna buy one of these. I'm gonna
Yeah.
be the first one.
These are really nice pans, but it's very simple, especially for beginners and whatnot. And also, it's all about your technique, right? It's like going and knowing when to go, going up high. Of course, it's gonna conduct heat a lot more so. So I got the butter, got the oil. The butter's gonna turn black, which is gonna be brown butter, right? Got a little bit more on that. The one thing you wanna do always is, I got these tongues, they're not the right ones, but I'm gonna use them anyway. I'm gonna turn over here and I'm gonna render that fat on both sides of it. Rendering the fat not only renders it, melts it, but it also gives it that extra flavor.
Man, I don't want to put it anymore on the pizza. I just want to eat it like this.
It'll be better on pizza.
Okay. Well, at this point, we just make it like light medium because we're gonna put it on
because we're gonna put it on anyway. So it's a done deal.
Okay.
We'll take this on here.
You want some napkin or something or a plate?
No, we'll just put it. I'm gonna put it right here. Right here.
Board.
Right on the cutting board. We'll take this bad boy out of the way.
So now let's get back to the pizza.
Let's get back to the pizza.
I'm gonna show you right now. We're gonna give because this pizza you're gonna give it 2 times cook.
Ah, 2 times. Okay.
Yes. Okay, chef. So we move the steak on a plate. I got some flour right there. Boom, boom, boom. Voila. So see the pan.
See the pan.
Grab a little bit of olive oil. Okay. So now it's time to stretch this pizza. Insane, eh?
Wow, that's insane.
So you just wanna have a lot of flour. Dump the dough on top of the flour. Look at this.
And it's just, wow, those air pockets.
Yeah, we're just gonna wait that the dough comes out by himself. You're just gonna be patient a little bit.
I see it coming, creeping up.
Yeah, there we go. Don't rush it. Done. Look at this.
Wow, that's beautiful.
Insane.
Wow, it smells so.
Yes, that's
wow.
the Polish that we prepare, the mother yeast. So this is a really natural process. So flour, a lot of flour. This dough, the less you touch, the better. And so the movement that you want to do here, because we want to create air pockets inside the dough. You just want to do 1, 2, 3, 4, so like this. 1 time in the front and 1 time in the back. Hard. You want to feel
hard. You wanna go down hard.
Well, no, don't make a hole.
Okay, just like.
Okay. By press. By press. You can press more. Now 1 more time in the back, more harder. You feel the table?
Oh yeah.
Okay. That's it. So now what we're gonna do here is, you can hold this. We're gonna take off all the flour this way. We would just wanna put the dough inside the pan. That's it.
Okay, I've never seen a perfect dough before. This is a perfect dough. If you didn't know what a perfect dough looked like, and I've never seen one, I know this is one.
Super easy. Olive oil everywhere. Okay, that's good. Salt. Okay, so now we give her the first cook.
Oh, okay, so this is the first go.
The oven is at 550. Voila, we put it right in the top or in the middle. It doesn't matter where.
So it doesn't matter where you put it.
So we close and now we wait that the dough gets a gold color. We can start maybe to chop the ingredients.
Oh, let's go. Let's
You want to put some fresh mozzarella on top or no?
Yeah, let's do that.
Fantastic.
Of course. Okay, first,
Ready to rock and roll.
rock and roll. We have our meat
Get that beast.
right here.
Uh-huh.
And now we have to slice.
Oh. Shit, that's a nice knife right there.
That's the knife
Pork
right there.
board and the okay. Okay. Got that.
Unexpected. You didn't expect it.
I'm checking the pit.
I've done it a few times. I've done a lot with this knife
5.
right here. So now we cut the knife.
Okay.
Here we go. It's simple, easy. We're gonna cut it off the bone. It's been resting enough.
I would eat it like this. I'm gonna get the pizza
Yeah, perfect.
out. Boom. Voila. That's the
It looks
pizza.
unreal.
Yeah. Look at touch how soft it is. Be careful.
Wow, wow.
So now at this point you see it's nice and cooked. So let's finish up the pizza with the toppings.
Okay. Cheese?
I think fresh mozzarella is yes.
I love it. I love
Italian
it.
style.
Italian style.
Try to cover everything. What is that?
What's-
Is it spicy?
Which one? This right here?
Yeah.
This is spicy.
Okay.
This is a little spicy.
So you pick whatever you want. If you want to put that before or after, whatever.
We'll do it after.
Let's put the steak.
Put some steak.
Beautiful steak, my God. I can't wait to cut this beast and eat it. The $1 million question.
Yeah.
pineapple.
Oh no
on
no
the pizza.
no
Yes
no
or
no 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 no
See, there's
no
one
no
now,
no
There's
no
also,
no
okay.
no. We can do steak, no pineapple.
Okay, you are invited to Italy.
Oh, thank you.
So now, if we want to put it in the oven, extra virgin olive oil, again,
Oh, yeah.
the olive oil helps to cook the pizza. Bye. Let's go back in the oven.
That's a pizza.
So now, this is important because we have to place the pizza on the bottom part.
Ah, so now the bottom part.
Yeah, but keep in mind, the oven is always at 550 and just bake, no broil on. So that is gonna stay about maybe 7 minutes.
That's
Depends. Yeah, when it gets nice and brown color, how you want it. Keep
best
the
part.
grill here because keep in mind one thing. When the pizza comes out from the oven, if you go ahead and put it right away in the plate, what happened? You know, when the pizza comes out, you ever see that it steams out from the top? It also
so
steams out from the bottom.
bottom.
So if you're going to put it in a plate, it's gonna get wet.
I got you.
So soggy. Okay, chef. The pizza you hear?
I hear that. Shh.
That means that the cheese is melting and the pizza is ready. So we just give it a little check. Ooh! Did you see that? Oh my God.
See. Look at that. Wow.
Oh my God.
Jeez.
Take a look.
Look at that.
Look at the bottom. That's what I mean when I ready?
Ooh, whoa.
Did you see that? And it's not sticky. So we go ahead and dump the pizza. Be careful because it's hot. On top, a screen. See the vapor from the top?
Yeah,
It goes also from the bottom. So we wait a few seconds. It cools down a little bit. Now we can go ahead and
just
put
put it
it
right
on
here.
top of the.
Jeez.
Because with this, we're gonna eat it now. We're gonna taste it. Let's go ahead. Ooh, nice.
I just put him over here.
Chili does give a little nice red color.
And now it's beautiful, right?
It's fantastic. Can't wait to taste this beast. Finish.
Finish. Finish it.
Fantastic. Fantastic.
Thank you.
Pizza dough.
Wow.
By Maestro Iacopelli, ingredients by Chef Ra. We're gonna cut it now. Look at this. You hear the crunch here? What they're looking here, I know you're looking. They always want to see the inside of the pizza.
Ooh, look at those pockets.
See? That's what we're
Jeez.
looking for. The goal of the pizza here, of my channel, of everything, is this. The pizza needs to be soft
and crunchy
in the same time.
at the same time.
Yes, so now
Ah.
soft and crunchy in the same time. So it's gonna be soft on the inside and crunchy at the same time. So that's the goal. Here, that's for you right there.
This is for me? Oh,
Yes.
look at this.
Oh
Look
my
at this
God.
cheese right
Chin chin, man.
Chew, look at that. Wow.
Let me taste.
Get out! Wow. 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 That's crazy.
What is this? French fries. The olive oil has to do.
You say something?
Oh,
I can't hear you from all this crunching.
I'm just enjoying. I'm just enjoying this pizza. It's insane.
Wow.
Chef. Rate this pizza 1 to 10, please.
100.
Top class.
Extra zero.
Thank you,
No,
chef.
seriously. Seriously.
Thank you,
I'm not
chef.
trying to be that. I'm a critic. I'm a judger. It's better you come to my door without unannounced.
Top class.
Yeah, you can stay now.
Guys, thank you so much for watching. Check my friend Chef Rush, and maybe coming soon in Italy. Maybe.
Maybe. Yes.
Comment below for more content. I'll see you soon, guys. Thank you so much. Fantastic pizza.
Amazing.